Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're going to take a look at how you could get to multiple desktops on your Windows-based device. The first one, I'm going to use the 3-finger swipe up on my touchpad. So you can see I'm logged into my personal account here. I'm going to use 3 fingers on the touchpad. And now you're going to see the different desktops up here, and I could add more desktops. So if I go into the second one, you can see I'm logged in on my school account. And the third one is an image of my son and wife. Now, if you don't particularly like that, and you don't like, maybe you use your touchpad a lot and it goes in between those different desktops and you don't want that to happen, what you can do is come down here and you could right click and go into settings. And within settings, you want to go ahead and select devices, touchpad, additional settings. Now there's a lot of things you could look at here, but we're just going to focus in on this. Click the Change Dell Touchpad Settings, Gestures, and then multi-finger gestures. And you can see these different options here, but you could go ahead, the swipe up feature, make sure to save, and now you won't be able to go back and forth with that. So a nice shortcut of what you could do is hold down the window key, control, and the left or right arrow. We're going to do right arrow first. So now you can see your different desktops here. So you can go left and right. Again, that's holding down the Windows key, control, and then the left or right arrow. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.